Hello my friends, welcome to simplify this math problem, which is a square root of 24 to the power of 3 plus 32 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3. In the first step, we can write, in here we have 24 and we can write 24 as 8 times 3 and to the power of 3. And here we can write 32 as 8 times 4 and to the power of 3. And in here we can write 40 as 8 times 5 to the power of 3. So, in next step, as you know, if we have a times b to the power of m, this is equals to a to the power of m times b to the power of m. So, in here, we can write square root of 8 times 3 to the power of 3. So it will be 8 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 and plus 8 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 and plus 8 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3, right? So in here, 8 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3 and 8 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3, right? So, in next step, it will be square root of, in here, 8 to the power of 3 is common, so you factor 8 to the power of 3, and it will be 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 and plus 5 to the power of 3. And it will be square root of 8 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 is 27 plus 4 to the power of 3 is 64 and 5 to the power of 3 is 125, and it will be square root of 8 to the power of 3 times 27 plus 64 plus 125, it will be 260. And in next step, it will be square root of 8 to the power of 3 times, in here we can write 216 as 6 to the power of 3. So, in here we can write this as the square root of 8 times 6 to the power of 3, right? And this is equals to the square root of 8 times 6 to the power of 2 and times 8 times 6, right? And here we can write this as square root of 8 times 6 to the power of 2 times square root of 8 times 6, right? So it will be, in here this will cancel this and we have 8 times 6 and it will be 48, and square root of, in here 8 times 6 is 48, and we can write 48 as, we write in here 48, and in next step we write 48 times square root of, we can write 48 as 16 times 3. So it will be 48 times square root of 16 and times square root of 3, and it will be 48 times square root of 16 is 4 and times square root of 3, and it will be 4 times 8 is 32, so write 2 and 3 here, and 4 times 4 is 16 and plus this 3 it will be 19 and square root of 3. So 192 square root of 3 is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.